mcqs from General Knowledge MCQs.
The instrument used to measure the specific gravity of milk
None
is.
of these.
Join us on WhatsApp for daily newspapers and PDF books, etc. Correct D. None of these. Q. 23. The internal antenna of transistor set is made of A iron B. Ferrochrome. Correct C. Copper D. Alnico. Q. 24. Gerontology is the study of a process of aging. Correct B. Growth of cells. C. Birds. D. Vegetables. Q. 25. Helium is used for respiration in deep water instead of nitrogen because A. It is heavier than nitrogen. Correct B. It is higher than nitrogen. C. It mixes less in blood than nitrogen. D. It helps oxygen to burn more quickly. Q. 26. In a fluorescent tube, which of the following components are found? A. Mercury vapor. Correct B. Argon and carbon dioxide. C. Helium and oxygen. D. Argon and neon. Q. 27. The common ore of aluminium is a chromite. Correct B. Cryolite. C. Bauxite. Join us on WhatsApp for daily newspapers and PDF books, etc. 0344 33102224 Everyday Science Important Solved MCQs for Competitive Exams Set IV. Downloaded from www.css Times. PK5. D. Monazite. Q. 28. When one enters a dark room, he is not able to see anything, but after some time vision improves. This is because the retina of the eye comes forward. B. The retina of the eye moves backward. C. The pupil of the eye contracts. D. The pupil of the eye dilates. Correct. Q. 29. Radiocarbon dating is used to find the age of fossils. Correct B. Building. C. Rocks. D. Babies. Q. 30. What is periscope used for? To survey the ships on the surface of the sea when the submarine is underwater. Correct B. To extinguish fire. C. To measure purity of milk. D. None of the above. Q. 31. Seismology is the science of silkworm breeding. B. Earthquakes. Correct C. Atmospheric phenomenon. D. Study of fossils. Q. 32. The source of solar energy is light energy. B. Gravitational energy. C. Kinetic energy of rotation of sun. D. Nuclear energy. Correct. Q. 33. If an object is placed midway between two parallel plane mirrors facing each other, then the number of images that appear in mirrors is 4. B. Infinite. Correct. C. 2. D. 0 because the images will cancel each other. Join us on WhatsApp for daily newspapers and PDF books, etc. 0344 33102224 Everyday Science Important Solved MCQs for Competitive Exams Set IV. Downloaded from www.css Times. PK6. Q. 34. In vacuum, what will be common among X-rays? Visible light. Radio waves. A. Amplitude. Correct B. Frequency. C. Speed. D. Wavelength. Q. 35. Barometer is used to measure A. Atmospheric pressure. Correct B. Humidity. C. Rainfall. D. Temperature. Q. 36. If you use a microscope to watch smoke particles in still air, you will see them moving about all the time. This phenomenon is called a Brownian movement. Correct B. Osmosis. C. Tyndall effect. D. Diffusion. Q. 37. The mass of a neutron is approximately equal to the mass of proton. Correct B. 3 times the mass of a proton, C, twice the mass of a proton, D, 0. Q. 38. The spherical shape of raindrops is due to A. Atmospheric friction of air, correct. B. Brevity of spherical earth, C. Surface tension of rainwater, D. Viscosity of rainwater. Q. 39.